As the Delta variant surges, ABC News confirming that the FDA is expected to authorize a third booster shot for immunocompromised people just a few hours from now.
This comes as hospitals across the country reach their breaking point. Take a look at this. The University of Mississippi Medical Center converting a parking garage into a field hospital for extra space. The state reporting more than 3,000 positive cases on Wednesday.
We'll hear from Dr. Fauci in a moment, but first we'll begin with Victor Oquendo in Gainesville, Florida with the latest. Good morning, Victor.
Good morning, Michael. The FDA is expected to give the green light on a third shot, but here at UF Health Shands Hospital, where 92% of their COVID patients are not vaccinated, they're still pushing people to get their first shot. One nurse from a packed ICU telling me that what they saw last year now feels like a warm-up.
This morning, ABC News confirming the FDA is expected to authorize a third booster shot for immunocompromised people today. The CDC advisory panel then set to meet Friday. Director Walensky could greenlight the shots soon after. The news coming as the CDC confirms more than 1 million people have already reported getting a third shot, even without FDA authorization. Eric Astacan, a flight attendant, is participating in UC Davis's booster trial.
Working as a flight attendant, I'm exposed to a lot of people whenever on a confined space for periods of time, and you need to protect yourself. And right now, the vaccination is the key aspect of our efforts to stem the pandemic.
The desperation to get another shot comes as the Delta variant surges across the country. Hospitalizations now at their highest level in 6 months. More than 17,000 ICU beds in use across the country, and multiple states requesting federal help, including Louisiana, where critical care nurse Mary Lubrano delayed getting the vaccine until she recovered from surgery and radiation for breast cancer.
You don't want to end up this way. This is the scariest I've ever been in my whole life. You take breathing for granted.
Mississippi warning its hospital system could fail within a week, now asking the government to send the USNS Comfort Ship, the floating hospital that docked in New York City at the height of the pandemic. And here in Florida, where the Strategic National Stockpile deployed 200 ventilators earlier this week, doctors say patients are much younger, getting sick at a more rapid rate, and staying on ventilators longer.
This is the second major surge. This surge is actually much bigger than anything that we have seen before.
38-year-old Ian Woods, who's been in the hospital since last week, says he was waiting to get the vaccine, but this morning he's urging others not to wait.
Just go ahead and get it. It's worth it. I mean, I wish I had gotten it. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have wound up in the hospital like this.
And the CDC is now urging pregnant women to get vaccinated, pointing to growing evidence that the vaccine poses no increased risk for miscarriage and no safety concerns for pregnant women or their babies. Amy?
Victor, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.